Hello guys, this is Hard Reset and this guide assumes you're already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, Etsy app is acting up. If your shop won't update, product images aren't loading, or messages with customers aren't sending, try these fixes. First of all, you need to restart the application, just like this. And go to it again. So if it didn't help you, try to allow some permissions. We're going to settings, apps, Etsy, and permissions. And try to allow something like location and notifications. So let's go back, and if it didn't solve your problem, try to reinstall the application. Let's go to the Play Store. Uninstall and install it again. And let's open it again. So, if even this guide didn't help you, try to check Etsy's server status. And how we check the status? Let's go to the down detector and search for Etsy. So as you can see, the down detector hasn't get the rights of Etsy yet, and it hasn't the Etsy application server's information for now. So what we can do else? Try to check your internet connection, if it's stabilized, and if it's good, just try to restart your phone, and this should help you. It was Hard Reset, and see you in the next video.